Welcome to the Daily Market Review brought to you by OptionsClick.
Hello and welcome to our look at December 9th trading session. And in front of you, I have the economic calendar. You can see that we have a couple of announcements worth paying attention to. We have the crude oil stock exchange and the interest rate decision coming out of New Zealand. And a little bit later, the unemployment numbers coming out of Australia. This, of course, will affect the oil market, which has been very volatile. The interest rate decision will be interesting, but the statement that accompanies it, of course, will be even more interesting. We need to see whether or not the central bank in New Zealand thinks the economy is getting better or worse. And, of course, the Australian dollar will be moved by the employment numbers coming out of Australia. Looking at the Australian dollar, we fell during the Tuesday session right into a supportive area in the neighborhood of 0.72. The employment numbers can move the markets quite drastically, so we believe that the market is going to shoot in one direction or the other. Obviously, following the market is the prudent thing to do, as the next target would be 0.74 or 0.70, depending on which side of this area we break through. WTI crude oil has had an interesting session. We fell pretty significantly, making a fresh new low on Tuesday, but found a bit of resiliency to form a bit of a hammer. At this point in time, though, the trend is most certainly negative, so we would anticipate that a break higher could be a bit of a relief rally and very well could send the market in buying puts yet again. A breakdown below the bottom of the hammer, of course, is continued weakness as well. The DAX had a somewhat negative session, but there is an area where the call buyers keep returning, and that's right at basically 10,600 euros. We're hovering above that now, so there is the possibility we get a bounce. On a bounce, call buyers should flood back into the market to lift the DAX higher. A breakdown lower could send this market looking as low as 10,400 euros. And with that, we've taken a look at the upcoming December 9th trading session.
This review is brought to you by OptionsClick, the most trusted binary options broker.